Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I understand English. I speak English, but not fluent speak.
Okay, as long as you can communicate with your employer, is we don't have any problem. But if you really don't know how to communicate, then there is no point of coming here. Okay? Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am. I have friends work in Malaysia.
Remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your friends, okay? Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay? Do you have tattoos in your skin?
Yes, ma'am. I have tattoo.
In which part of your body? Can you show it to me?
This part and this one.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. First time.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I heard Malaysia is uh safety for OFW.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. My name is Cindy Lagria Pala. I'm 24 years old. I live from Medina, Misamis Oriental, Philippines. My birthday is November 29, 2001. My, re- my religion is Catholic, Roman Catholic.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first. You are 24 years old, right?
Ma'am.
You are single with live-in partner. Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am, I have children.
How old?
Only one.
Okay, how many? One, how old?
4 years old.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3", my weight is 58.
What is your, okay, your religion? What about your educational background?
I am K-12 graduate.
K-12, senior high school, is it? Is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have 5 brother and 4 sister.
What is your rank in your family?
Ma'am,
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
the faith.
Okay, what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is laborer, carpenter.
Okay,
My
so
father is 59 years old.
okay, so what about your live-in partner? How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
My partner is 25 years old. His work is delivery and GNT delivery.
Okay, who will going to take care of your child later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Mother and my partner.
Okay, so according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2023 to 2024 as a caregiving for an elderly, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
You work for 1 year.
Yes.
Okay, are you stay in or out, you go back home after?
Stay out, ma'am. I go
Stay
back home.
stay out. Okay, so you take care. How old is the elderly that you take care, and is it female or male?
Female.
How old is the female?
78 years old.
Okay, so while taking care of this elderly, you do the house chores?
Ma'am?
Did you do the house chores at the same time while taking care of this elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
You cook, you do laundry and ironing?
Yes.
Okay. So after this, you 2021 to 2025, you are a full-time mother, but 2023 to 2024, you take care an elderly, which is you stay out, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So Being an OFW is not that so easy. It is a very, very tough job, and you need to get ready yourself because there is no such a thing that you will going to go back home in the Philippines. No such a thing. You will going to sign a 2 years contract, and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people? Definitely yes, because you already got working experience, right?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I cook.
Okay, what variety of cuisine you can prepare?
For now, Filipino dishes, ma'am. I prefer.
Okay, so you know how you can learn how to cook some new recipes, right?
Yes, ma'am. I
Can you
want.
can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as I have mentioned, we have our rules and regulations in usage of mobile handphone. You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
I'm okay.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you okay or you agree or you disagree. If you agree, fine, you can come, you work properly. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Being a first timer, I know that homesickness will frequently attack you. How will you gonna handle it later?
I call my family after my work, ma'am.
Okay, so always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your child at the same time or to your family. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. Okay? You can be the boss in the Philippines, but here we need to humble ourselves. Yeah? We need to follow
Yes,
the
ma'am.
rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years. Okay?
Ma'am.
As I have mentioned also, this is a 2 years contract. It's not 1 month, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 1 year, it's a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Okay? You
Yes.
know that terminating of contract, that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who wanted to come and work here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know what will be the consequences, okay?
Ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Cindy. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Ma'am, thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much and have a good day. Bye.